Okay, last time we have already mentioned about slope. Slope there in the linear equation. Okay, you have there the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay, so where m here is the slope. But what do you mean by a slope? So have you gone to a mountain class? Okay, as you can see, the mountain is very inclined or very steep. So the measure of steepness or inclination, we're going to call it as slope. So that is the slope. So we're going to know how inclined or how steep is a line. Okay, a slope class can be positive if it's, okay, have you read a graph of the line? Class, when you say a line that is the set of points that is infinite in both sides. As you can see, I use arrow here because this is infinite. So this graph, this line, has a positive slope. As you can see, increasing from left to right. But consequently, have your decreasing from left to right. It has also negative slope. But if graph is this, actually you cannot determine the slope for this. So for this line, your slope is undefined. How about this? Actually, it's a straight line. Okay, it's just like you are walking on a plain road. Okay. This has also zero slope. That is why it's really easy to walk road that is plain. Okay. So again, there are 4 kinds of slope. So you have a line which has positive slope, a line which is negative and undefined, and zero slope. Now, let's talk about how to find the slope given a linear equation. Okay, for example, y equals 3x minus 5. Okay, very easy. Identify in this form. This is in the slope-intercept form. So, the numerical coefficient of your x, that is the m or the slope. So here, the m or the slope is very obvious, 3. Okay? This is number 1. Okay, how about this? 3x minus 5y equals negative 7. So, this is in the standard form. You cannot identify directly the slope. That is why you need to rewrite this into the slope-intercept form. How? Okay. This is it. So, transpose negative 3x. That becomes negative 3x minus 7. Then you divide each term by negative 5. So, divide each term by negative 5. Minus 7 over negative 5. So, this becomes y equals 3/5 x plus 7 over 5. So, very obvious. Okay, you could identify m from that. So, your m here is 3/5, which is positive. Okay?